Mask mandate. Our Jay Burr was at the meeting, joins us live with more on what was talked about. Hi, Jay.
Guys, in fact, before we get to the governor, earlier today even, the Arkansas Legislative Council had a pretty lengthy meeting on the appropriating money for contact tracing here in Arkansas. Now, the Department of Health has done its share of outreach, saying that people need to answer their phones, but the ALC did ask if there was more that could be done to reach out to people beyond phone calls. Now, the ALC even asking if it was worth doing contact tracing, because right now test results are lagging results, which can lead to lagging contacts. And if a case gets to a certain point, will contact tracing even work? Now, the governor said today that while it's best to be as expeditious as possible, he will absolutely still implore for contact tracing as a strategy in the fight for COVID-19.
Nobody's moving away from contact tracing. It's an essential investment that we have to do because it still makes a difference.
A delay in receiving the positive result will lead to a delay in talking to the individual and identifying those contacts. But it's still important to go through that and to look for those cases. We need to try to track them down.
Now, Governor Hutchinson also commenting on his statewide mask order, saying that he has seen compliance in many parts of the state. And while there are some instances of not following the order, he does believe, by and large, Arkansans are doing their part. And he also said that it would probably be a minimum of 2 weeks into this mask order before the state starts to see any kind of results, either one way or the other. So he does hope to have some good news when it comes to those numbers. As you heard Kevin rattle them off just a few minutes ago, those things are climbing despite a slight downtick today, but he does hope that he can have some better news coming up here in the next few weeks. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.